welcome to today's video. Les Paul Jr. In this video, what I want to do is get these fret slots cut to the final depth, get this fretboard glued on and in position on this neck blank, and I also want to thin down the headstock veneer that I've glued up previously. Now, I've just noticed that there is actually a little bit of a crack in one half of it, so that's a bit of a problem. I do have some very, very thin blackwood veneer. It's half a mil thick, already ready to go. I may end up using that, I don't know. My headstock thickness is 12.75 millimeters. I'd like it to be 14 millimeters. So I've got no dogs or nothing set up on this bench yet. I'm waiting for some parts to arrive to get this bench fully operational as a woodworking bench. So I'm just going to give this a bit of a sand and see how this works out. It's a bit of a shame that I knew that was going to happen, so I just let it happen. It's just not strong enough. I didn't use this piece of ebony as a fretboard blank because I knew that it was cracked. So I thought it would be okay for headstock veneer. Obviously not. So I've got this veneer. Oh, it's actually a lot thinner than... Oh no, it's 0.9 of a millimetre, which would bring my headstock to just under 14 millimetres. I mean, I could just use one at the front and one at the back. Oh! Now, since I actually cut the slots and did everything on this fretboard, I've bought this fret slotting jig from Bag Press, and I haven't got to use it yet because it literally arrived 2 days ago. No, I'm not actually going to use it now because I've already done the fret slots, but it will be interesting to find out how accurate my slots are, and I need to set this up, so I might as well do that now. How wide is it approximately? 74.9. I was recording, but I hadn't pressed record. Brilliant, love this jig, works super well. Do still have to put in all the effort of cutting though, and I will be admitting that I did make one mistake on my fret calculations. My 22nd fret is about 1.5 millimeters out of place. You can see my line. It's in the wrong place. Everything else, it's bang on. Now I'm going to fix it. I'm going to fix it. Yeah, let's fix it. After all of that, I forgot to press record again. Monica is coming home. I've decided to fix the fret slot. Ever so slightly visible. One thing that's definitely happened is it's filled in the little bit of the grain, but I think once the fret wire's actually in, you're not really going to notice it there. So and I'm just going to make sure that my nut is in the correct place as well. Bang on. Amazing. So quickly just check that the slots are all at the correct depth. Got a little bit of material on either side of the neck, so that's good. It should line up with the very end there. So what I want to do is use some toothpicks as guides, clamp this in place, drill the holes and get this on. All my fret slots are filling with glue. That was hard work. It is completely glued shut. Yeah, that's going to be it for this one. I didn't foresee also glue seeping into my newly cut fret slots. Maybe I just glued the neck on upside down. If I'd have done it the other way round, it probably would have been better because the glue would have fallen the other way, which is where I'm going to remove all the material. You live and you learn. That is definitely today's takeaway. Is, yeah, I've done a lot of arsing about, but definitely getting somewhere. Learn how to use the fret slotting jig, even though this was already slotted. Fixed the problem with the fretboard. Got this glued up. Learned not to glue it on upside down. Do it the other way around. And yeah, hopefully that'll all be good and all work out nice. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. If you've made it till the end, please leave a like. If you would like to, also think about subscribing to the video, where I make videos like this every week on guitar building, guitar experimentational building, for me at least. And yeah, thank you very much. See you in the next video. See you later.